We're going now. Yeah, man, fully active. So a roadside restaurant are going with a who that? Yeah, man. So a boss are going with do a whole heap of river cooking. I feel like we're not cooking today. Fried chicken, active. You know, with the roadside kitchen, you know what I mean? Only on Friday, opening up peeps. Every Friday, yeah, man. Can come get your good food right on the roadside at Castle Garden on the main road. See, right out on the main road. So if you pass and see that little spot up on Friday daytime, you can stop and get your food. You see it? Yeah, man. Right on the main road. And this is Jamaica. Everywhere you go in Jamaica, you see stray dog. So one stray dog they are going to easy back. And so one they are going to walk and a easy back same way. So I see how the boss I get here so. In a real life, and I see one off on the menu and get whatever me like, mash up some food. Outdoor cooking, whole stove, the basket pantry, Mm. Active, Yeah, man. Whole stove, basket pan, man. You know what I mean? So I going over there so close, hang up online in Jamaica, we don't use dryer. You know them way there? Yeah, man, we don't use dryer. We use the sun to dry the clothes. So that I go on over here, then put the sun hot. So, um, fully active. Mm. Ah, fully active. See rice and peas pot. Mm. Rice and peas pot active. Yardman style one. Jamaican street food. Mm. Yes, gungo brand one. Gungo. Boss, I'm a gungo rice today. Curry pot active. Say that I wonder for you. Curry beef. Mm. I think this is in the pot. I pork another pot there. Yeah, man. No, when you ready, man, share film one. Cause you know what that's somewhere I go. Alright, that's somewhere I go, people. You know, film the pot by heart. See, eh? Yeah, man. Film the pot that. Mm. Pasta. Mm. Yeah, man, can check him out every Friday. Every Friday. That's a cool. Boss, you know, want about a right now. Listen, no, I'm not food I want. Just food. Give me spoon, man. You not have a problem. The boss fork run out. I have to go to the yard. The spoon even better. A spoon eat in the yard. You have the place for me? Boss, I buy me a food. You know my thing or go? Rice and peas and pork. I want we have on the menu though. Yeah, peeps. Nice little settings. Have a tent I go and take the sun from overhead. Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Hold on, let me just put this in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, fully active. Rice and peas for that, you know. Alright. So I always say up on the menu.
Where you want now?
It's our cold food.
It's a curry beef.
Alright.
It's a brown stew.
Alright.
It's a pork. It's a curry goat.
Curry food.
Yeah. Natural goat.
Natural food.
Mm.
What kind of thing?
Sita. Conch and lobster.
Yo, want another soup there, no pork and lobster.
Yeah, man. Nature food.
Today, yeah.
Man soup.
Yeah, man, I want one small one there.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
You say one pork?
Yeah, man. One of them strong soup. Oh, forget to say hello. It's a good show.
Allergic shell food.
Brown stew pork. Pork food. Pretty piece. Over here, so you know, we're gone over.
Where you want? Raw veg or steam veg?
You can give me some of my steamed veg.
Pop chai.
Yeah, man.
Callaloo.
So you see that name of food for everybody, you know, Rasta, Barley, vegan, everybody. Every Friday.
You want a breadfruit?
No, see the bread.
Alright.
You
You want a banana, you don't want a dumpling, you don't want a yam.
No, just some pasta. Just look at pasta.
Alright, listen.
Show them a pasta, see eh? Pasta
Yeah, man.
and raw veg. Yeah, man. And yes, you can see I have a fish.
One fish left.
One fish left.
Yeah, fish done. We have chicken. Yeah, fried chicken.
Alright. Yeah, man. Fully active. You know, say time I know around after 1 to 2, and normally in the out here so from around 8. In the run out here from around 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, man,
And
from 7 o'clock
starts
there,
from
man.
8 in the morning. Everything starts from 8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, man. I really like. Boss almost mash up feeling up peeps. It's almost done.
Active man, a bad man, terrible.
We say mad.
Terrible.
Yeah, man. Terrible peeps. I mash up feeling. Yeah, I have to for morning, you know. Yeah, man, we get the soup. You know, say, soup. Food there. Mash up this, you know. Mash up this, you know, peeps. The back pan for me digging eye. The back pan. Yeah, man. Food active. Digging eye.
Yeah, man.
Active. Peeps. Bad.
Gamble, man, I gamble for the money.
Bad.
Bobby. Let me see what I'm here. I'm back of cabeza vlog, I'm going to buy for. Oh. I'm going to kill for.
Food bad.
You can't mix up like one of these.
Lobster soup. Let's look for the lobster. Lobster soup. Lobster soup.
Give me that week, man.
I want to me a car with the other station. I say, Babylon,
Because I didn't hear the
I say, Babylon, I'm on my water and things about it. Why we think we don't want to that I want the 31st dance of years now. Because I say, Morgan Friday, right. Do more. Because I say, Morgan Friday.
Man.
Yes, dog.
What a time, you know.
What do you mean like it like fire? To play.
Water is life, man. Food almost done too, you know.
Birthday boy, right stand now. I got to look up. Don't you get money? See, you see my person. Let's look over against that guy here. So when you come back, I come by. I said, go on. No, you don't must come back. Yeah, no, man. Go on. Look at me.
You know, I win 7.
I win 7 things. Man, hello, the big screen. Which was kind of like that. Last.
Food mug.
Yeah, man, we don't have a moment. Pardon,
Done, you know. Yeah, man.
I'm a chef, man, because I
Done.
Yeah, what's that? Them gonna say man cook ackee and rice and saltfish, brother. And the thing I'm gravy. Yeah, I'm taking a look at the rubbing. We are using my face. You know.
Bobby, a bigger craft found, so you can't craft, Bobby. I wanna try. Food done. Food done. Soup left. Lobster soup. Lobster, man. But you see all conk in it. Believe me, man. Big
Yo, come in. Come out I can come.
big lobster.
I'll pay a taxi man when I go there.
Big lobster tail and soup.
System.
Hello, miss. That's the tomato. Hello. Java, what are Java? Come on, say.
Mhm.
Ready? Oh.
Big lobster tail in a soup. You can chat to me with conk.
Uncle.
Mm.
See you buddy.
Mm.
So what you must go and reason.
I move like a person, boy. But what they are show me be a bad mind. You know, you're bad mind and I will get it.
Let me shoot where I drive this man. I'll shoot my shoot.
Full.
Drive man. Shoot take you. Yeah. I'm just saying, you can't shoot.